Hey everybody, I'm just checking in. I hope you're all well, and I wanted to create this video to show you what things are going to look like on Monday. Each teacher will start to provide you with some learning opportunities digitally. So we've been asked to provide you about 30 minutes per day worth of work. So I'm just going to show you what to look for come Monday and sort of walk you through how to find it. So I'm just going to use one of these classes, but they're all the same. Everything's going to be posted in Google Classroom. You need to really start checking that daily. That's where your assignments will be, and that's how your teachers are going to be communicating with you. So once you go into your class, this is your main landing area, but where you're going to need to go to is to the classwork section here at the top. And you're going to notice that in that classwork section, I've created a heading or a topic called distance learning, and this is where all the new material will be loaded. And you can see that I've already loaded the assignment for next week. It's going to post on Monday morning at 8 a.m. So when you click this, first you need to do two things. The first thing you need to do is look at this schedule. The schedule is going to break down for you what needs to be accomplished each day. So for Monday, it lists what you need to focus on, for Tuesday, what you need to focus on for Wednesday, etc. Please read the directions. This is new for everybody, and we're all going to be making mistakes and trying to figure things out. So I'm trying to lay everything out clearly so that you know exactly what to do, but you're going to have to make sure you read the directions. The next thing you need to look at is this Hyperdoc. You're going to see something like this from each teacher. And this is going to be your jumping off point for your assignments each week. So Monday, it asks you to work on the Hyperdoc lesson for about 30 minutes. Tuesday, it asks you to work on it. And so what the Hyperdoc is 6 different sections. I'll scroll down here for you. And you can see that under each section, you're asked to do some activity. So read something, think about something, participate in something. So for example, this first box is called Engage, and you're asked to do an activity, and then finally to click this link to make a comment on a Padlet. So how you make a comment on a Padlet is you'll come down here and click this little plus button and type your comment. But anyway, obviously when you're looking at your Hyperdoc, if there's something in make this bigger for you. If there's something in blue, that means that needs to be clicked on, and that's going to take you off the document somewhere else. And sometimes in the document here, under this one, it has a link for you to click to go to a story, but then it asks you to open up a story elements document that is under the current assignment. And where you would find that is here under the assignment in Google Classroom. So basically, pretty simple. You're going to start at the top, do them in order. So we'll do the Engage first, Explore, Explain, Apply, Share, and Reflect. And each of these sections has something different, but they are sort of related, so that's why you need to start at the top and work your way down. And then I'm going to go back to the schedule. So by Thursday, you should be finished with all the work on the Hyperdoc. Everything should be turned in. And then we're going to have a fun Friday activity. Friday is going to be the day when I'll provide you feedback on all the assignments. I'll be doing that either in the document itself, or I will send you a message via Google Classroom. And that day there's going to be a little fun activity posted for you to work on Friday while I do the checking of your work and providing feedback. So anyway, I think it's pretty simple, but if you have any questions, again, send me a message and let me know. This will all post Monday morning in Google Classroom. I will also email it to your Loudoun County email address, and I will email it to your parents. So good luck, and we're going to work through it together.